Okay, and let me pick the live expectancy test right now. Alright, you will see the charging score is 70% and your goal is to make it to 100%. So what you want to do is put gear in the drive. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is press the brake and also the accelerate all the way down. Alright, basically flow both of the pedal. And what this do is gonna charge the battery. On the screen it asks me to release the gas pedal, alright, till the engine stops, then flow it again. Alright, now I'm flowing again and the charging score is increasing. That means I'm charging out the battery as we speak. Yeah, voltage increase again. Okay, press and 64% right now. Getting closer. Alright, you jump straight to the step 2. Step 2, putting in reverse. Okay, I'm putting the car in reverse right now, and I'm gonna press the depress the handbrake or the foot brake really hard. Once I've done that, I can release the pedal. So because the car want to go backward, but it cannot because the handbrake's on. But at the same time, it's gonna draw electricity from the battery. Alright, now turn on AC. Okay, turn on the headlight. Here we go, it's drawing electricity. So now going to the step 3 is to keep the needle within the green area, which is around 6.5 amp. And we can control that by adjusting the temperature. I'm adjusting the temperature right now. Okay, to make it colder. So I kick in the compressor. And also let me turn on the rear diffuser. Sorry, the rear defroster. I should draw. Here we go. And it doesn't have to be exactly on the center. Just in the green area will be good. Alright, and see, it's still a little bit lower than the 6.5 amp or the target. So I can press the throttle a little bit. See over here? What it does is trying to move the car backward. Means drawing more electricity. Right? Here we go. Now let's just wait. Okay, I think we are halfway through. Just want to give you a quick update. So sometimes you will see that the power drawing is too much, like you press the gas pedal too much. It will show you the error message right here, and basically you just follow it, follow instruction. Let go of the gas pedal a little bit, yeah, keep it in the green area, and that's it. Alright, I want to take this opportunity to show you my setup. This is how I set up my test rig. I have voltmeter linked directly to the battery blade in the back. I have the amp meter reading the entire ampage or current for the battery pack. I also have the temperature. Used to have 3, now the 2 of them are broken, so I remove it. So that's how I test my app on a daily basis. I think we have another 3 minutes to go. Alright, so I'll talk to you later. Alright, so as you can see, state of charge almost 40%, that means almost done. So we should see the result very quickly. Here we go. The battery has 57.29% left. Alright. I do overdraw the power during tests because I want to show you. Alright, and it is in the fair condition. Alright, what's fair condition means? It has a fine print over here. Fair means 50% to 60% is fair. If it's a 40% or below, then you have to be worried about. Alright, thank you guys so much. Just put in the comment if you have any question. I'll try my best to answer.